Alright, what's going on guys? Aaron here with NPLife. I figured since everybody else was going through their camera setups, I'd go through mine. So this is going to be my filming setup for my kayak. Okay, so first things first, I have a Cam Park, basically a knockoff GoPro that I put back here on my little basket rig. It sits on a telescoping pole so I can put it up as high or as low as I want. Then on my Humminbird, I have both a GoPro, it's a Hero 5 Session, and my cell phone. And sometimes I take the cell phone off depending on how I'm fishing, just because there's a really good chance I can snag it and then that phone goes in the water and that's not cool. I have dry packs inside of the two cubbies, and that allows me to have extra batteries if I need to and extra SD cards. But what I can do is I can do just like what Carve Dog did on his previous video. I can have the voice activation, take pictures on both the Hero 5 Session and my Samsung S8, and I can always be running this Cam Park back here. And I do it all in 1080p at 30 frames if I can, because that's the most cinematic, right? And then all of like my B-roll shots and things, I'm either using that cell phone, that Samsung S8 with a Evo Shift, it's a hand gimbal, or this camera that I'm holding right here, which I'll show you on that camera. This is the actual camera that I use for, oh nice hat here, most of our vlogging. This is the small lens, the 10 millimeters 18, and the other lenses are these are lenses, buddy. This is the 18 to 35. It's a Canon kit lens, came with it. This is how I get my nice little blurry or blurry to focus shots. And then I've got this 75 to 300. And the 75 to 300 is for my long shots, mostly B-roll and stuff like that. Cool pictures of, I don't know, birds and fish and other people fishing and boats and stuff. Alright, well that's my kayak rig. That's what it looks like from the cockpit. Check it out, it's pretty sweet. I dig it. That's me. That's the get up. Those are my camo Crocs, they're pretty sick too. Cool. One of these days I'm gonna actually go over the kayak rig and I'll show you guys how I have it wired and how we've got all of the, oh yeah, how we've got all the depth finders and stuff hooked up. Right on. Until next time, keep living that North Prairie life.
And this is Daddy.
My dudes, what's it like vlogging with kids? It's pretty sweet.
Daddy.
It's pretty sweet.